In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automate A/B email testing with workflows in HubSpot. To begin, go to your HubSpot account and head to the marketing menu. From there, click Email. This is where you create and manage all of your marketing emails. Click Create Email, and when HubSpot asks what type of email you want to build, choose Automated. Selecting Automated is important because it makes the email available to be used inside workflows later. Now you will be taken into the email editor. In the top right area, click the option for A/B test. HubSpot will prompt you to name your two versions. Use names that clearly describe what is different between the versions, such as a subject line change or a different call to action. Clear names help you stay organized, especially if you run multiple tests over time. After naming the versions, click Create Test to generate version A and version B. Next, edit both versions. Switch into version A first and make your changes, such as the subject line, preview text, body content, or layout. Then move to version B and adjust only what you are testing so your results are meaningful. Keep everything else as consistent as possible. As you build, double-check links, personalization tokens, and formatting, because small mistakes can skew results and impact performance. When you are done with both versions, click Review and Publish. Use the review screen to confirm settings and verify the email looks correct. Then click Publish. Publishing is the key step that makes the A/B email ready to be selected inside a workflow. With the email published, navigate to the Automation section. Choose Workflows, then open the workflow you want by clicking its name. Inside the workflow editor, click the plus icon to add a new action. Select Send Email, then choose your newly created A/B test email from the list. Once selected, HubSpot will handle sending version A and version B automatically based on the A/B test setup. After you save your workflow, you have an automated A/B email test running through your process. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.